Have you ever walked into church expecting healing, only to walk out carrying a fresh wound? You're not alone. Church hurts, real, painful, soul level hurts, can leave us confused, angry, even questioning our faith. Maybe someone betrayed your trust. Maybe you were overlooked, dismissed, or deeply judged by people who were supposed to show you Jesus. I've been there too. This post, Healing from Church Hurts, is for anyone who's been wounded in a place that was meant to be safe. It's not just a list of verses, it's a step by step biblical and personal guide to help you start healing. We talk about what church hurt really is, why it cuts so deeply, and how you can begin separating the failures of people from the goodness of God. We walk through what Jesus says about religious hypocrisy, how to set healthy boundaries, and how to slowly rebuild your connection with the Lord, maybe even your church again. You'll hear real stories like mine and be reminded that your pain is valid, but more importantly, that healing is possible. God is still good, even when his people are not. If you've been carrying church hurt in silence, I invite you to read the full post and find hope again. Let God meet you where the wound is. He's still safe. Subscribe to She Opens Her Bible on YouTube for more soul deep content like this, as well as Affirm Faith Co. We've got so much content that will help you dig deep. You're not forgotten. You are seen, and the healing is still on the table.